Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to do this pattern very fast. Okay, let's start. So first get the polygon tool, which is this one here, and click once, and now you can choose the size. Choose 6 because we want a hexagon, and you can choose whatever radius you want, what doesn't matter. Press OK, and now just rotate it, holding shift to make it 90 degrees. And now get the line tool and draw lines from opposite corners or opposite points. Make sure you put it from anchor to anchor, and then select everything and get the shape builder tool and just connect those and those and those, and now you have a cube. So now let's color each of them. Let's color them with shades of red. I'm gonna put this one here, or maybe a dark one, or maybe let me choose this one, and with the eyedropper I'll take this color, and this one I'll make it slightly brighter, and this one I'll make it the brightest. Okay, and now you can actually remove the stroke. You don't need the stroke. And now when you have this, you can go to Object, Pattern, and Make, and then press OK, and just change the title type to Hex by Row, and you will have this. So just go and select Done here, and now you can actually delete this. You don't need it anymore, and you can open the swatches, and the pattern is located here. You can actually click on it and create a rectangle with this pattern, and that's it. That's how to create a geometric pattern very fast.